Qbees.
This is a Qbees, the big game. The stage is set. So, are you ready for your first chess game? White moves first. That's me. So, let's see. My first move, you see, is pawn to b3. Black's turn now. Don't delay. What's the first move you will play? Pawn to b5. Look alive. Alright, they're Qbees. The white bishop goes. Swoosh. To b2. Black's turn. The knight goes jump, jump, jump. Okay, Qbees. White, pawn to c4. Okay, Qbees. White knight to f3. Yikes! My knight might get bopped. Gotta attack now! Clippity clop. White knight hops onto d4. My oh my! What's the groove? The black bishop's on the move! White knight to c6. Hip hip hooray! Oops, sorry, I took your knight away. Don't be sad, Qbees. Maybe you can get one of my pieces later. Hee hee. Ooh, nice one. You zapped my piece. Okay, dokie. Little white pawn takes a tiny step to e3. My plan is going right. Playing chess is pure delight. Black bishop's turn. He's going zip onto f5. I will move my queen to c2. Oh, interesting. Black queen enters the game to e7. My response is white bishop to e2. I see you, Qbees. What are you planning? Oh, come on. What do you need the chess rules book for? Oh, a special move? Castling? Let's see if all the conditions for castling are met. First, the sleepyhead rule. The king and the rook haven't moved out yet. Checked. Second, the clear road rule. No pieces between the king and the rook. Checked. Rule number 3. Not scared. The king is not in check right now. Checked. And last, the safe path rule. The king's jumping spots are safe and no enemy is threatening. Alright, checked. All the rules are checked. You are free to castle. And that's how a right castling is made. Congratulations, Qbees. You're learning on hyperspeed mode. That's super cool. All right now, good game. Let's focus on the board. White moves. Pawn to f4. Oh, I see Qbees on the attack with knight to g4. I will respond with white pawn to g3. Ouch! Qbees always attacking. As simple as it can be, white pawn goes to h, free. Say goodbye to your knight. Qbees. Play on. Castle to G1. Ho ho ho! I will kindly remove your castle. Time to retreat. Rook to F1. Oh, chess to my king. I wasn't expecting that from you. My king will be safe on D1. I can accept that my rook is gone, but what are you planning next? Qbees! Alright, things are getting worse for me. If a pawn goes all the way across the chessboard, it gets promoted. You get to choose which U piece it becomes. A queen? A castle? A knight? Or a bishop? Promotion! The victorious black pawn becomes a queen! And my king is in danger again. But not for long, Qbees. Bishop to F1, and your new queen is gone. A new move, a new attack from the little square warriors. The white king is in danger. Again. But not on C1. Alright, well, there's just nothing I can do. That's going to be the end of it. Qbees never fail to disappoint me. I will fight till the end. Queen to D1, ready to defend the king. I can't even look at this. I am defeated. Checkmate. My dear Qbees, congratulations for winning your first chess game. I am proud of you even though I lost. Good game. Well played. Everybody, run! Get covered!
Hello. My name is R, and I am a robot. Oh, wait.
We are the Qbees.